Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching this video, it means that you believe in my vision. It means that you and me both are thriving to learn and become ServiceNow expert by enrolling into 1% daily ServiceNow learning challenge. So this is pretty much exciting as we kick off our week one learning challenge for the entire community, for ourselves, for myself. And we are going to start with the basics. We are going to start with the foundations because if we lay down our foundations strong, we are going forward for a longer and longer path. So this week we will be starting with Welcome to ServiceNow course, which is around 3 hours of course, and which I believe we can complete easily this week. And also, in addition to that, we will start ServiceNow administration fundamentals, and we target to complete it 30% within this week. When I say week, it includes your weekdays, weekends, and supposing that as you're thriving to learn ServiceNow, you can spend at least 1 to 2 hours per day in learning. The interesting fact is that I am also going to spend the same time like you. I'm also going to learn the same way like you. And there is an additional responsibility on me to create a tutorial or a hands-on on all the topics that I'm going to learn this week. There will be an opportunity for you where you can present your learnings in our bi-weekly meetups, which are going to happen every bi-week, and you can come as a presenter and share your knowledge, whatever you have learned, just to give you a uh, crisp idea from where you can learn. All those details will be provided in the caption with the URLs. We are going to use the official ServiceNow learning content only for the learning purpose. And gradually, as we move forward, we will start creating our own content also. So I would like to share my screen and maybe showcase you how you can learn from the different sources and what all things that you might need to take care. Okay, just give me a moment. I might need to end the slideshow. And let me share my screen with you. All right, we have our learning course here. Okay, I hope you're able to see my screen. So this is our Welcome to ServiceNow course. If you see, this is 83% complete for me. So we are going to start. I will provide this URL in the description box. So if you are totally new in ServiceNow, let me give you a few tips and tricks. So this is ServiceNow University, which is an official portal of ServiceNow where you can go and learn different courses. And we're going to learn foundation by foundation, layer by layer in a structured and efficient manner. So the first course that we should learn is Welcome to ServiceNow. If you see this, it will give you an overview of what is ServiceNow, what is ServiceNow as a platform, then different topics, what are the basic functionalities of ServiceNow, the next experience, how do you navigate, access modules, what are the list and filter in the module, forms, tasks, platform analytics, knowledge management module, service catalog module, virtual agent module, and of course the summary. I suggest you go through each and every bit of it, make it as 100%. You will also stand a chance to earn the micro certification. It's a certification that you have learned working to ServiceNow course. I will also suggest you that please make your notes. That is a very important part. Don't miss out on that because today might you feel it's a basic thing you are able to remember, but trust me, after 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, 1 year or 2 years, when you realize that you want to go back to something, so it is better always that you make the notes or whatever you think that you might forget in the upcoming future. All right. So this course you're going to start in the first week, and you are going to you can request your lab instance from here. If you request your lab instance here, you will get an instance to practice your hands-on. This course will have both theory as well as hands-on. I strongly recommend you give your 100% to learn theory, make your notes at the same time, give your 100% in learning the labs as well. Give your 100% in completing all the labs. We will also try to release the hands-on and theoretical tutorials by the end of this week to help you out if you don't get time to do that. So once you are done with Welcome to ServiceNow course, the next course you need to do this week is ServiceNow Administration Fundamental. This is the second step that you take in your ServiceNow journey. Basically, this is going to help you in learning the administrative fundamental concepts of ServiceNow. If you see, there will be an ebook given to you, there will be discussions, there will be lab exercises for you, and we're going to learn module 1, 2, and 3 within this week, which is the modernized work experience, explore the power of ServiceNow platform, configure the applications for business. So this week is going to be starting. We're going to go a bit slow. So the first thing we're going to learn is Welcome to ServiceNow course that I have explained you 4 minutes back. And then after that, the ServiceNow Administration Fundamental course. So you can go here the same way you can access each and every submodule and learn. And similar way, you can request the lab instance and do your own study using this. Just to give you more perspective as you are starting learning ServiceNow, there are a lot of things I can talk. There's a lot of things, sources I can explain you from where you can learn. But we will go bit by bit, step by step, in a systematic approach. So there's another website known as a ServiceNow developer website where you can go with your email ID and you can get your own ServiceNow instance. When I say a ServiceNow instance, this is something like this. It's a playground for you where you can go and access a real-time ServiceNow instance to build up your skills, to build up your creativity, to build up your solutions, to practice whatever you are learning in learning courses. It's a kind of a same thing that you will get here. When you request lab instance, you will get a lab instance like this only to practice, which is more pre-configured to suit your labs in this course. So this is week 1. I don't want to give you too much of information so that it becomes overburdened for you. Just trust me in this process. Just believe in my vision. Just follow me week by week, and you will feel that change in yourself after 6 months or 9 months or 1 year that, okay, I am more experienced. I have more hands-on experience in ServiceNow. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I wrap up this week, we are going to do full course of Welcome to ServiceNow and then 30% of ServiceNow administration on demand, which is your module 1, the modernized work experience, the module 2, explore the power of ServiceNow platform, and module 3, configure application for business. Before we wrap up, give you 100% in learning theory, make your notes of the things that you might forget later. Last but not least, give your 100% in the hands-on lab, because that is something which is going to stay with you for a longer and longer time. With that note, ladies and gentlemen, I put my case here for the week 1. All the best for the upcoming week ahead. Just a tip from my side, try to set a dedicated learning time for yourself in the entire day. Block your calendars so that your personal and professional life doesn't get hampered. So next week, prioritize your health, prioritize your family, prioritize your work, and then prioritize your learning, I would say. With that note, ladies and gentlemen, Gagan Jolly is signing off for the week 1 challenge. See you next time in the week 2 challenge. I will also try to give you the tutorial for the week 1 hands-on exercises. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Stay learning and keep the trust in me, and we'll meet after a few months, few years. We will see that change in ourselves. Thank you.